class. Okay, shall we start today's class? Yes. In previous class, we had learned about verbs. Okay. See, I told you verbs are each and every action we call verbs. Then we had learned verbs in details. That means a word which tell us what a person, animal or thing is, has or does. Yes? Okay? ഒരു വ്യക്തിയോ വസ്തുവോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അനിമൽസ് ദെൻ എന്താകുന്നു അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തുണ്ട് or എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു. So these words are called verbs. Okay? Children, clear? Then a verb is the most, I told you, a verb is the most important part of a sentence. ഒരു സെന്റൻസിലെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട പാർട്ടാണ് verb. Okay? So these words tell us what a person, thing, animal is, has or does. എന്തൊക്കെ ആകുന്നു, എന്തൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട് or എന്തൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്ന് പറയുന്ന വാക്കുകളെയാണ് എന്ത് വിളിക്കുന്നത്? verbs എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay? Clear? So children, in some situations, sometimes verbs are made up of more than one word. Clear? ചില സമയങ്ങളിൽ verbs ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ വാക്കുകൾ ഉണ്ടാവും. Okay? Sometimes verbs are made up of more than one word. For example, see, we are reading. See, we are reading. ഞങ്ങൾ വായിക്കുകയാണ്. We are reading. See, here we can see more than one word. See, are reading. Are reading. That's why I told you in the beginning, sometimes verbs made up of more than one word. So here we can see more than one word. Are and reading. Okay? So these are verbs. Okay? Then one more example I will show you. The birds are, see, flying. The birds are flying. The birds are flying. പക്ഷികൾ പറക്കുകയാണ്. So here also we can see are flying. Are flying. So more than one word we can see in some situations, in some sentences. So children, just remember that verbs are the most important part or main part of a sentence. Okay? Then was, were, will be, shall be are also verbs. Okay? Once again, was, were, will be, shall be are also verbs. Okay? Let's revise once again. What are verbs? Verbs tell us what a person, animal, thing is, has or does. Clear? This is the most important part of a sentence. In sometimes the verbs will be more than one word. So I already show you are reading, are flying. Then one more thing we have to remember, was, were, will be, shall be, they are verbs. Okay? So will be, shall be are verbs. Then was, were. Okay, all these words tell us what. ഈ വാക്കുകളെല്ലാം നമ്മളോട് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഇത് ഇന്നതാകുന്നു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇന്നതുണ്ട്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇന്നത് ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്നാണ്. Clear? Clear, children? I think it's clear for you. Now we can do the exercise. Okay, take page number 36, exercise number A. Okay, I hope you have textbook with you. Children, don't forget to take your textbook. When you watching the class, you should take textbook. Okay, page number 36 and exercise number A. Okay, underline the verbs in the following sentence. This is very easy task. Underline the verbs. So verbs, about verbs I already told you. Okay, so എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് verbs എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞു. എന്താണ് verbs? This is the most important part of a sentence. ഒരു സെന്റൻസിലെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട പാർട്ടാണ്. ഇനി ഈ വാക്കുകൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് പറയുന്നത്? ഇന്നതാകുന്നു, ഒരു വ്യക്തിയെ കുറിച്ചോ എന്താ പറയുക, വസ്തുവിനെ കുറിച്ചോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അനിമലിനെ കുറിച്ചോ ഇന്നതാകുന്നു, ഇന്നതുണ്ട് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇന്നത് ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്നാണ് ഈ വാക്കുകൾ പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് വെരി ഈസി ടു ഡു. The lion roars loudly. So the lion roars loudly. So children, can you say what is the verb? Which is the verb in this sentence? Yeah, no doubt, roars. Okay, roars. എന്തൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാണ് അല്ലേ? Lion എന്തോ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? roars, അലറുക. Okay, roars. Also you have to underline the word roars. Okay, second one, this dress is very costly. This dress is very costly. So ഡ്രസ്സിനെ പറ്റി പറയുകയാണ് അല്ലേ? എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? is very costly. is. So which is the verb in that sentence? is, no doubt. Okay, third one, we have a test on Monday. We have a test on Monday. എന്തുണ്ട് മൺഡേയിൽ? എന്താണത്? Yeah, we have test on Monday. So have is the verb. We have a test on Monday. So fourth one, the soldiers fight bravely. The soldiers fight bravely. So this one action is the fight, which is the verb fight. Then fifth one, it was a cloudy day. It was a cloudy day. No doubt, was is the verb. Sixth one, they had a big car last year. They had a big car last year. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം അവർക്ക് ഒരു വലിയ കാർ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. So had is the verb. Seventh one, Shreya gave a good performance. Shreya gave a good performance. So gave, കൊടുക്കുക. Okay, gave is the verb. Then eighth one, Ronnie will be 10 next year. റോണിക്ക് അടുത്ത വർഷം 8 ആവും, 8 വയസ്സാവും. So will be, see I told you will be, shall be, was, were, they are verbs. Okay, will be is the what? Verb. Then ninth one, there are trees on either side of this road. There are trees on either side of this road. So are ഉണ്ട്, അതായത് റോഡിന് ഇരികിലും രണ്ടു വശത്തും എന്തുണ്ട്? ഉണ്ട്, ആകുന്നു എന്നർത്ഥം. ഈ are is the verb. Manisha draws beautiful pictures. Manisha draws, വരയ്ക്കുക, വരയ്ക്കുന്നു. So draws is the verb. Okay children, so this is very easy. See, 10 questions are there. So already we discussed and I told you the answers. Okay, next one, exercise number B. What are they doing? അവർ എന്താണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? See the pictures and complete the sentences. Select the verbs from the box. See, in the box you can see. See, I told you sometimes we can see more than one word. So that category words are given, verbs are given here in the box. അതുപോലെയുള്ള കുറച്ച് വേർഡ്സ് ആണ് ഈ ബോക്സിൽ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. നോക്കാം എന്താ നോക്കുക. The girl dash with her cat. Then you can see the picture. Just to watch that picture. What is she doing? The girl is playing with her cat. No doubt. See, in that picture we can see. So all of you just watch that picture very closely and try to write. The girl is playing with her cat. Next one, the birds dash in the sky. Just see in the box, what are the, see, are flying. Are flying. The birds are flying. പക്ഷികൾ പറക്കുകയാണ്. So next one, Sonu and Monu dash a snack. അവരെന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? What are they doing? Yeah, they are eating snacks. They are. So Sonu and Monu are eating snacks. Children, the rest of the questions you can do it yourself. Okay, this is easy. Easy exercise. I think you can do it. Just do it there. Okay, choose the correct verb and fill in the blanks. Then here also I am going to give you as homework exercise number C. So children, exercise number B and C you have to do yourself. Okay, so verbs are given in the case of singular nouns. What we have to use? Yeah, the S form of the verb. Okay, then in the case of plural nouns we have to no need to use yes. Okay, so just do it. If there is any mistakes, no, we can correct it. Okay children, so in this class we had learned about verbs. Verbs tell us what a person, yeah, thing, animal is, has or does. Okay, in sometimes we can see more than one word. Then as verbs, then was, were, will be, shall be, they are verbs. Okay children, okay, just do it. Just watch this class today itself and do this exercise. See you in the next class. Okay, bye.